Welcome back to itGabut, a trading journey. In part 1, we made a basic bot that buys blindly. But honestly, trading since couple of years has taught me that we need to follow the trend. Today, we're giving our bot eyes by adding a moving average. First, I'll initialize the IMA handle. I'm also adding a feature called ChartIndicatorAdd. This is cool because the moment we attach the EA, the moving average appears automatically on the chart. No more dragging indicators manually, it's all built into the code now. Now let's look at the onTick function. We need to copy the indicator data to our buffer. Try to compile here. Wait, I got an error. Undeclared identifier current MA. My bad. This is what happens when you're a beginner and moving too fast. I forgot to actually define the variable from my buffer. Let's fix that real quick. Double current MA equals MA buffer, open bracket, 0, close bracket, semicolon. There we go. The logic is simple. The bot is only allowed to buy if the price is above this moving average. I'm trying to translate years of my manual trading research into strict, automated rules. I tested this on gold, XAUUSD. Initially, I used a 500-point stop loss and a 1,000-point take profit. But for gold, that was way too tight. I was getting hit by SL constantly. So, I adjusted the settings to a 1,500-point SL and a 3,000-point TP. Gold needs room to breathe. Look at the results now. After adding the MA filter and widening the SL/TP, the growth curve looks much more promising. It's not a holy grail yet, but it's real progress. Thanks for following my honest MQL5 journey. In part 3, we'll add even more filters to make it smarter. See you then!